Welcome back. 108 ambulances are on strike from Wednesday. The workers of the ambulances had served 21 days notice to the government and GVK. They are agitating against the failure of the management to fulfill their demands. The staff of 108 is annoyed with the duty hours, no hike in salaries, no security and harassment. However, Health Minister says workers should settle their issues with the management and stop blackmailing the government.
This was the scene on Wednesday morning. 108 ambulance services were paralyzed across the state. Ambulances were seen parked at the GMC complex. This is following indefinite strike by the staff of 108. They had served 21 days notice to the government. They are having tough time with the management since last many days. The workers demand that the government should not renew the contract with the GVK.
आणि साखळी उपोषणातल्यान सुद्धा काय जायना जाल्यार आमरण उपोषणापर्यंत निर्णय वर्करांनी घेतलेलो आसा. पण मागण्यो पूर्ण जाल्याशिवाय वर्कर आता कामार आसपाना. आमची एकूच मागणी जीव्हीके फाउंडेशनाचे कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट जो आसा तो स्क्रॅप करचो, कित्याक ती एक फ्रॉड कंपनी आसा, शॅम कंपनी आसा आणि ही सरकाराक आणि गोंयकारांक लुटपाक लागून गोंयांत येयल्ली आसा.
Health Minister Francis D'Souza says this is nothing but blackmail. Workers should settle their issues with the GVK.
कदमकडे ड्रायव्हर मागल्या, शक्य तितके जाग्यार बाकीचे आमचे डिपार्टमेंट आले, डायरेक्टर ऑफ हेल्थ सर्विसेस बा डायरेक्ट आमी आमचे एम्ब्युलन्सी घातल्या थंयसर. तेजे फुडें पळोवचें पडटलें कितें करपा आतां पळय. आनी तेंची झगडी पळय आहा ती सरकारा कडेन ना. 108ची बी झगडी आहा तेंच्या मॅनेजमेंटा कडेन आहा, तेंचे सर्वीस कंडिशनाची आहा. म्हणून तेंचे आपल्या मॅनेजमेंटा कडेन झगडी करपा जाय. सरकाराक ब्लॅकमेल करपा जायना. ते सरकाराक ब्लॅकमेल करता.
108 workers have decided to go in for indefinite strike. Till then, GVK has made some alternate arrangements with the help of government. GVK has roped in 21 medical technicians from Andhra and 25 drivers from Telangana. Now total 9 ambulances are on the road. Calls for 108 works are routed through 100 and in coordination with Goa Police. Somehow the ambulances are functioning, but the question is, how long will the arrangement sustain, as the service receives hundreds of emergency calls a day? Bureau Report, Prudent.
After the by-poll election in Panji constituency, now the corporators are gearing up to elect a new mayor. Term of Mayor Surendra Furtado ends on 13th March. Babush-supported panel has decided not to elect or support Surendra as the mayor again. Babush's panel will support BJP-backed candidate. BJP is yet to finalize the candidate. Sources inform that Vaidehi Nayak and Shubham Chodankar are the front-runners for the mayor post.
Babush Monserrat has decided not to support Surendra Furtado for the city's key post after his term ends on 30th March. Sources inform that elections for the mayor post will be likely be declared in March. According to the sources, after Panji by-poll result, Babush Monserrat is not interested in supporting Congressman Surendra Furtado. Babush's panel has total 16 corporators and BJP supported panel has 12 councillors. Remaining 2 are independent councillors. Babush Monserrat has himself declared his support to the BJP-backed panel for the mayor's post. Sources inform that Councillor Vaidehi Nayak and Shubham Chodankar are the front-runners for the mayor's post. BJP state leadership will take the final call on mayor's candidate. Sources say that all corporators are in favour of Vaidehi or Shubham. Councillor Yatin Parekh's name is also in fray, but last assembly elections he had contested against the former BJP MLA Manor Parrikar. The current electoral equation in CCP of 30 members. Babush-backed panel has 16 councillors, BJP has 14, while Surendra Furtado and Ruth Furtado are independent councillors. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
A truck crushed a foreign female national, Mayan Zoria, near the Holy Spirit Church in Madgaon on Wednesday. Zoria was riding a bike and was dashed away by the truck. Truck owner Santosh Gaonkar from Kavre was thrashed by the angry mob. Eyewitness claimed that it was the truck driver's fault.
मोबाईलाचे बसून आलो ते वाटेन येता मरे टनाचेर सारखे टनाचे ते टन घेत आसतना स्लो जाले हो सारको चड स्पिडीन आलो. एक टन मारपा ते धपके मेळ्ळे म्हणटा टन मारपा तेगे मिस्टेक ट्रकागे साक मिस्टेक थोड्यान चोयला 5 टन मारपा ते धपके मेळ्ळे ती गाडी धपको मारलो एका डिओ धपको मारलो डिओ साक इनू बोली आनी ते फाटल्यान तिनू झोरोन गेले डापा डाप जाले अशें 2-3 फाट डापा डाप जायन फाटले टायरा गेले आनी पयलीं चेस्टा वयल्यान गेला टायर सारको चेस्टा वयल्यान गेला आनी हे शाकूट जाला आनी तकलेचे टायर ऑन थिंगा वला हो झापासून देवान धांवयतालो ड्रायव्हर आय थिंक हाडायला चलते का सांग माल सांग ड्रायव्हर पुलीस ड्रायव्हराक पडे रे बरे पडे आतां हें जालें पूण कितको जालें मेलो बॉडी तेन्ना रडपा येना सारकें ड्रायव्हर धांवतालो मिस्टेक जी ट्रकाची सारकी मिस्टेक सारकी इतू फास्ट रे चड फास्ट स्पिडीन सारको पयलीं कितें म्हणटा आपूण पियोन आसना म्हणटा पियोन तोंडा दिगो मातशें तोंडाक तूं वास येना वयतालो हितू फास्ट म्हणल्यार आपूण कांय सांगना अकबर थिंग बसलो अकबर आपणा कितें जाता उदक आयचें म्हणल्यार पयलो अकबर रावलो तेका मागीर अकबर चयता हांव धांवयना थिंगाचो जे आपणा मार पडा म्हूण धांवयना ते कितें जाता म्हणून मागीर तेदो तेका पळय मातशें ते गोंयकार काय फॉरेनर ते
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.